So, all right, guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'll just walk us through how you can install FortiClient on Linux server. This is a Ubuntu Linux server, and I would like to install FortiClient on it and also be able to manage it. Firstly, our FortiClient EMS server is this. So let's open our FortiClient EMS server. So we have majorly two clients registered. So let's go to FortiClient website, FortiClient.com. So we can download the package for the Linux server. So on FortiClient website, I will see different packages for different operating system, including Android, Windows Server, and Linux. So let's walk through this. 1 minute. So here we have, uh, let's go to products download. Then you see the editions 7.4 ZNA edition. So we're looking for the Linux package. So you can see ZN edition and all that. So all these packages with different feature actually means a lot. So if you want a zero trust edition just for VPN, ZTNA, vulnerability agent, and all that, you can download the one for ZTNA edition. But if you also want the one that include ZTNA with endpoint protection and application, so that you can be able to enable all these features like anti-malware, anti-ransomware and anti-exploit, sandbox integration, application control, firewalling, and PS. So it's advisable to download any of this package so that you can be able to enable it. So let's click on the Linux version. So on this, you can see that we are being given the package to download. So we look at 7.4 for now, and would see that we have Ubuntu 22.04 and 24.2, which is this is our Ubuntu server version. And what we want to do is to just copy this, you know, copy this script, Control C, then open your terminal and paste it here. Then click OK. Okay. Now we need to create the source list for FortiClient. And to do that, we need to, use the echo command to create the list inside the file. So we'll use the script provided for us with the echo command and also the directory. So you copy the command, then you paste the code as well. Paste. So we are creating this particular script source file, and we are putting in the part of this source list on our Linux command, on our Linux server. Then let's verify that the file has been created. So using the cat command, paste. So you can see the source list here on our server. So now let's update what we have. Sudo sudo apt update. Okay. So after that, we need to uh, now install FortiClient. Yes. Then we need to also register it so that it can be able to receive updates and policies from the FortiClient EMS. Here's our FortiClient EMS. We only have trial license for three users, for three endpoints rather. So 10.15.13.28. Let's connect. Accept. Okay. So we have the FortiClient EMS connected now, and we can see malware protections, vulnerability scan, and all that. Now we have a fully protected Linux server now. So when you go to FortiClient EMS and you see all endpoints, now you will see the FortiClient EMS connected to the FortiClient agent, and we can see our endpoint, the properties for our endpoint, our server, which is a Linux server. Now we have this protected, and all endpoint policies and profiles enabled. So we have ZTNA enabled, we have antivirus enabled, we have vulnerability scan enabled. We can also enable web filtering, antiviral, anti-ransomware, and cloud-based malware. All these can be enabled on the FortiClient on the Linux server for better protection.